Hey there, parents and caregivers. Welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to make parenting just a little bit easier. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: ways to make small foods safe for babies. Let's start by understanding the problem. Small, round foods like grapes and cherry tomatoes can easily get stuck in a baby's throat. That's why it's essential to know the right way to prepare them. First up, grapes. These are delicious and packed with vitamins, but their round shape and size can be dangerous. Always make sure to cut grapes into small, bite-sized pieces. The best way is to slice them lengthwise into quarters. Next, cherry tomatoes. Similar to grapes, these need to be cut into small pieces. Slice them lengthwise into quarters or even eighths for younger babies. Cheese is a great source of calcium, but those little cubes can be a choking hazard. Instead of cubes, cut the cheese into thin strips or small, manageable pieces. Bread might seem harmless, but large chunks can be problematic. Tear or cut the bread into small, bite-sized pieces. Blueberries are another healthy option, but they should be squished slightly before serving to young babies. Mashed foods are another great way to introduce small foods safely. Bananas, avocados, and cooked sweet potatoes can be mashed to a suitable consistency for babies. Now, let's talk about safe food options and preparation techniques. Always make sure to cook foods like carrots and apples until they're soft enough to be easily mashed or chewed. Steaming and boiling are great methods to achieve this. Here are some practical tips to remember. Cut round foods like grapes and cherry tomatoes into quarters. Slice cheese into thin strips. Tear bread into small pieces. Squish blueberries and mash foods like bananas and avocados. These simple techniques can make a big difference in ensuring your baby's safety during mealtime. There you have it. Simple yet effective ways to make small foods safe for your baby. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. And if you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy feeding. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring your baby's safety. See you next time.